So here it is. I've just made my wings. I've hooked everything up, everything is working. It's already covered. Inside they are 5485, the standard Hitec servos. I linked up with the ball ring, and it's working nicely. It has too much range for now, but it is working really nicely and really quietly, if you can see. Right. So as for these, I did the modification for the flaps. I've put in the low profile HS-5485 servos. I hooked everything up. In the outer wings, I've put the micro servo inside because it was not going so well. The flaps are working okay, if you can see. I mean, but still I'm not happy with that. You know, that has too much range, and I'm thinking is because, you see, this is still loose here. I think those needs to be drilled again, actually filled up and drilled again, or made new. Those linkages here, and as well this one here, because I think it has too much range. Plus I have worked on these, really set them, but I couldn't set them so well. So you know, I was setting all of these up so it holds, but somehow it's not working. Especially the outer ones are very floppy. I mean, they are holding, but for sure the flaps are not doing its function. I mean, these are the middle, and then of course the in. As for the in, they are all very nice. Here what I found out is that there is a gap, that this one is a little bit bent, so I don't know how to make it right, so it's not holding. However, as you can see, everything works just fine. I just need to find a solution. What should I do here, you know, to hook it? Because this, if you can see here, is very wobbly. All this is very wobbly. So somehow I'm thinking I'm drilling new holes here, actually filling those up, drilling new ones, and trying to do that. Although the range, I think it comes from this spar. I don't know, maybe this is not possible. Even here it's even more, if you can see. So somehow we'll see what we are gonna do here, because there needs to be, you know, put some address. So but we'll first fly it, we'll see how it goes, what's the deal, and then we'll find out. So yeah, all works, as you can see. So happy with the wings, how it all came together. Now to the fuselages.